Hi all, this is Nirmal, founder and CEO at Oqlous AGI. Here I'm here to showcase you a quick demo of our product, Oqlous AGI. Oqlous AGI can automate all the end-to-end tasks over the enterprise application for product managers, project managers, or any team leads. We are automating all the managerial workflow by AI multimodal agents, and it can actually automate all the tasks over enterprise application. If he or she may be an manager or an employee working upon the enterprise applications such as Google Docs, Gmail, Jira, and many multiple applications, they can just prompt their task and Ved will run over your enterprise application and do the task for you without any human interventions out. So coming into the product, here you can actually see the integration button where we have successfully integrated many sort of enterprise applications out here. Here you can integrate all the enterprise application which your current enterprise is using out, and just by a click the Google will authorize you automatically in a greater more manner. And so showcasing about the product for the first stuff, I'm just asking my agent Ved to get all issues, or I just want to know what all are the to-do tasks pending out in Jira. So I'm just prompting here, get all to-do tasks in Jira. So I've just prompted, I need all the to-do tasks which is there in Jira to actually see the what all are pending for my projects and products out there. So here you can see the Oqlous workspaces where the agent is diminishing or making the chunks what all should we do, the steps actually. The problem statement is went to the agent is deriving within the chunks and acting agents over it. So here you can see it is fetching all the to-do tasks from Jira. It's successfully completed. Here I can actually see what all are the to-do tasks out there in Jira, and I can just click on the particular stuff, and I can just go to the task from here itself. I'm just seeing the issue currently now. I'm just loading out the Jira out here, and I can see out here that these are the issues. Rectifying authentication issue in website is added out there, right? So here I'm searching across enterprise applications. You can search over any sort of enterprise applications whichever is connected within here, right? You can search across any particular stuff if you want to need a particular insight which human brains can't process, and many more. You can actually do it with this extent. And coming to the next one, I'm just creating a new agent for actually executing task over the particular stuff. So I'm just asking get all Jira issues in and send an email to nirmaleskubera@gmail.com telling him that due to this issues in Jira, we have to postpone the launch of the product to next week. Next week. Let's see how it actually performs out. So here you can see that the agent started processing. I'm just approving them what all are the particular stuff what they want, and I'm just waiting for the another response for them. So it have got me the end-to-end issues which are pending on Jira. There are a total of 126 issues in Jira with it status of to do, and it have also generated me end-to-end email content, right? So I'm just asking them, repeatedly asking them, add more in description for sending the email. So I'm just repeatedly asking them that I can showcase how the refined AI agents architectures are. Add according to you. So it have got me the end-to-end stuff. The email content have been added. It have refined end-to-end stuff out here. So I'm just asking, yes, approved, please send. So the email have been successfully sent to Nirmala's incubator. Let's check it's sent or not. So I'm just going to the account which is already integrated. I've got the email. I've got the email end to end. It's just now 2 October 1823, 6:24 just. So we have got the email successfully. So you can actually do all task, any task upon, if you want to create an PRD document, the end-to-end particular product is integrated with all your enterprise data, so that you can exactly do whatever you want in terms of technical document creation. It may be PMs actually get 50% of their customer feedbacks in Gmail and 50% of them in Slack. What they do currently is that they actually copy paste each and every Jira ticket, whatever it is arrived in Jira as well, or Gmail as well as Slack, go to Jira manually by multi-switching the application, copy paste the end-to-end product, manually write all the descriptions and many more. Here you don't want to do it. Here you can just prompt and create Jira tickets with well description for all the customer feedback issues arrived in my Gmail as well as Slack. The AI agents will run over it and automate these kind of big tasks out there. Suppose you want to create a Jira ticket. So I'm just doing one more thing, right? Create a Jira ticket. I saw an issue in animation of landing page of Oqlous AGI. Create a Jira ticket. Description according to you. So it started figuring out with their own these steps I got. It is asking me which project should I create in. So I'm just repeatedly answering the question. Do it in task. Assignee, I need to assign to Akshay Kumar, which is one of our developers. Sorry. And I need to add due date as 4th of October. So let's see how the agents run over it. So here it have got me the summary. I'm just asking add more in description according to you. You can actually tune it by your own. You can make agents for your particular task and many more. So it have got me the end-to-end description, all the project summary. Assignee is Akshay Kumari. It's just asking me to confirm. Yes, approved. So it is waiting for the user confirmation. Now the user is approved. The stuff is actually created. Yes, please. It's Akshay Kumar. So they have got us the end-to-end Oqlous workspaces. Yes. Initially, it was unable to depict who Akshay Kumar was, so I just gave them more aspect of them. Now you can actually access the Jira ticket have been successfully created with the ticket ID CAN1145, and you can just click out here. I'm just opening in next tab. You can just click here and see whatever they have assigned currently now, right? I'm just going to Ultra ASEAN, my Jira. I think my internet's a bit slow. Sorry for that. So the due date is October 4. The end-to-end stuff have been updated. The description have been added. All set. The Jira ticket also have been successfully assigned. So these are the manual kinds of tasks what a product manager or any sort of manager actually do in their particular daily repetitive task. As you know, the 50 to 60% of the task of product managers or any managers or any team leads actually they end up doing manual repetitive tasks which can be actually automated by AI multi-model agents like Ved, right? And secondly, these was couple of normal issues what I have just shown you. Like suppose there is a everyday use cases for managers. Suppose the PM is getting customer feedbacks on their Gmail as well as Slack every day, right? They don't have to prompt it every day that create Jira ticket for all the customer issues in my Gmail as well as Slack. They can actually create a workflow, right? They can actually create a workflow add triggers, trigger phase. I'm just adding that feedback 1, 2, 3. I'm just adding that create Jira tickets for all the customer issues arrived in my Gmail automatically. So I'm just integrating the application. I can select what all are the functions I need. So I need create issue type, manage issue, manage Jira projects. So I'm just adding it off. I don't need any data source for this particular workflow. I'm just clicking on continue, and I'll be asking to answer some of the questions which our particular agent is unable to figure out. And so I'm just asking everything to figure out by their own so that they can actually do the work quite massive rather, and human is indulging the AI's work. So just submitting off. So the trigger will be automatically created by after this process, waiting for that. So the trigger have been successfully created. So you can just click on, you can just copy paste the particular stuff. Whenever you are actually in the morning, you can actually click on execute to execute it, or just prompt it off in a particular manner so that you can actually do many of these repetitive tasks which is daily happening in your life and in an automated way. So you don't need to actually copy paste, go between multi-switching the application, copy paste all this stuff, add description manually. The AI multi-model agents from Oqlous AGI will do for you. And secondly, the majority of the instances or the majority of the times of product managers or any type of employees or any managers or team leads in the particular section in the managerial workflow, actually they actually invest their 20 hours or 30 hours per week upon meetings, right? Which is actually non-critical decision making meetings, right? Here we are, what we are actually doing is that we are actually recording all the end-to-end transcripts of that particular meeting and converting them to the actionable items as well as notes. Here you can see an actionable items which have been happened in the last day call, which is actually my principal product manager had advised the product manager to actually assign the task to Aditya regarding the design reviews. He have said this in call. Just said this in call. Normally, what before Oqlous AGI, what people do is they make notes. They make notes in the meetings and actually do it quite manually out, right? You don't have to even make notes. The end-to-end meetings he's been recorded. The actionable items from them, suppose a PM have pronounced that assign this particular task or create a particular meeting with this particular client or do this or do that upon any sort of enterprise application, our AI multi-model agents is able to figure out that particular actionable items and make end-to-end, and you just want to click on approve and it will approve it off. The agent will run over it and you can actually do the work quite massively. You don't have to actually write notes or do tasks by listening to the meetings and many more. The meetings is end-to-end recorded. The transcripts have been converted into actionable items. You have to just click on approve and it will do it off. And you can see notes out here. You can just share it to anyone who need this agent across Oqlous AGI platform and many more. And thirdly, the agent which we are actually processing, our enterprise clients are using most is the communication agent, right? As you know, the product managers or any sort of managers or any team leads are the most communicated or a midman where a lot of people actually communicate to them for information. There is redundant communication happening and many more, right? So taking an example from Slack, a user named Akshay have asked what are we adding execute feature as it have been already resembles into the old approve one. So it is just a question about a feature. So what we are doing is that they don't have to, like, PMs actually use multi communication application if he's a multi-product person, if he's a super multi-product person, he may be handling 3 to 4 products or projects at a particular point of time. So for the communication he may be using Slack, Gmail, GChat, Skype, as well as any of the particular stuff, right? So you don't have to skip into multi-switch between application to answer questions and communicate with the team, right? You can actually get it on a single place, and you can actually do is there is a question arrived from Slack from Akshay, and the large language model have already figured out the answer for this, right? Answer for this question, because it may be from the redundant communication. Suppose you maybe advise the same thing to a couple of people, and the third person is asking the question again what the couple of people have already asked to you and which you have already answered, right? Or if the answer is present in any sort of enterprise data or in any application, in datas of any applications of any Google Docs or sheets or like Excels, if the answer is there, our AI multi-model agents is ready to figure out what is the answer for this particular question and do it off, right? So the answers, the communication have been automated end to end, and you can just edit it upon the particular stuff. You can just approve it, edit it off, add by your own and send it off. So by these multi-model features of AI multi-model agents, we are not only revolutionizing the particular workflow of product managers, but all the people upon an enterprise. They may be a business manager, they may be a product manager, they may be a marketing lead or a marketing person or a software developers. Even we have been integrated with GitLab as well as GitHub and Docker. So there were developers which I'll send you the feedback form as well, which we have got us from the clients or users which we are having on board. They have actually used Oqlous AGI to push codes, take pulls, as well as integrator more action, right? So the agentic architecture of Oqlous AGI is the premium most one, which we have designed in such a way that it can actually automate all the tasks upon enterprise applications, all the end-to-end automation of employees workflows of a particular enterprise can be done not only for PMs but also for all the employees in a company, whoever is working upon enterprise application. Of course, like 99% of the people work upon enterprise applications, right? They can just prompt it and do their work. They can search across their internal data, they can search across their particular stuff with citation, they can easily switch to links and see whatever is happening in the particular stuff and do it over. Prompting just by task. So that's all the product is about, and we are going to roll out one more product, which is actually AI voice agent, which can actually, I can just record a 15-second voice of yours, just power it to my agent. The agent, you can prompt an end-to-end meeting agenda of that. The AI clone will actually act as the voice clone of yours, join the meeting, advise and head meetings for your team members, and get all the stuff in your dashboard. So that is the strategy we are actually going towards. And we have been, as we already spoke with your team members, we have been in many sort of piloting with two enterprise clients currently, and we are having 3 to 4 users from SMBs itself, the small medium businesses, and they are using it regularly. We are always adding value to their particular workflow by cost cutting of their product for their people, as well as improving the enterprise productivity. So that's all about our product. Please let us know if you need access of our product. We are happy to provide you up. Thank you so much. It's me, Nirmal, signing off. Happy to have a call with you again. Bye.